Do you hold at least 1 million Pepe tokens? Then you must watch this video. Lots of bullish news and events have happened over the past 24 hours. So if you have any interest in Pepe coin or you hold any Pepe coins, then you need to see this. So what is the latest news that has recently come out about Pepe? And how will all of this affect the price of Pepe? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the new price boosting information that has just come out about Pepe coin and how there is still a high possibility you could become a millionaire from Pepe. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch the entire video to not miss out on any price boosting information. Welcome to Crypto Hype, your daily dose of crypto. If you are interested in everything around crypto, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the crypto news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with cryptocurrency news. Also, make sure you join my free Telegram group through the link in the description. I have made many amazing calls in the group, including multiple 10x's, multiple 20x's, and an over 40x call. The feedback has been amazing, and you are genuinely missing out if you aren't in already. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Pepe is doing on the 19th of July, shall we? Pepe's price today is around 1,218 units. With 4 zeros, Pepe's price is up 5.7% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.3 billion. The token also currently has a market cap of over $5.1 billion, ranking it as the 25th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video, and this content is not financial advice. So let's not waste any time and get into it. Before we get into the Pepe news, let's take a look at the wider crypto market. Bitcoin at strong support levels. Rally to be continued. The Bitcoin price is looking comfortable. Back in the middle of its range, Bitcoin is currently at support around the $64,000 to $63,000 level. Should this not hold, further strong support can be found at 61,000. Once this small pullback is over, Bitcoin might be expected to resume its latest rally. Bitcoin taking a breather. All appears to be perfectly normal for Bitcoin. The Bitcoin price is currently experiencing a small pullback after its exertions of the last couple of weeks, when the price rallied 24% from the low of $53,400. After such a strong price surge, it's only normal that Bitcoin bulls would take a breather and allow indicators to reset. It now remains to be seen just how much of a correction the dollar Bitcoin price will take. Tailwinds in evidence. Tailwinds are still very much in evidence. The spot Bitcoin ETF are maintaining their latest buying spree, and rumors are propagating across social media and even some mainstream media platforms that Trump will announce a U.S. Bitcoin strategic reserve at the Nashville 2024 Bitcoin conference. Where will Bitcoin bounce? Looking at the daily time frame for the Bitcoin price, the first of the orange support levels, at just under $64,000, is currently still holding. However, it might be expected that more of a pullback will be needed for a healthier correction. Therefore, the second big level of support is at around $61,000. This coincides with the 0.382 Fibonacci level for this move. A retrace to this level and a bounce from it would be an extremely bullish result. That said, there is also the possibility that the shallowest Fibonacci level of 0.236 could be where the bounce takes place. This is at 63,133, which is a level that the Bitcoin price has already all but touched. Zooming right out into the monthly time frame, it can be seen that the Bitcoin price over the last 5 consecutive months has kept above the very important 61,000 support, which marks the highest monthly candle tops of the 2021 bull market. 5 months of price action above this level has had the result of building price structure on top of the 2021 bull market top, and this will be very important going forward. The latest July monthly candle looks as though it can have the greatest impact so far. A huge candle wick to the downside shows the amount of buying that is pushing the Bitcoin price up. A monthly close for this candle, at or above the bull flag top trend line, could signal the next massive price surge that takes Bitcoin towards $100,000. If you are still watching, It would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also, keep watching to find out the latest Pepe coin news. Pepe price analysis. Here's why Pepe dipped 10% in 48 hours. Pepe price hits brick wall after 70% gains. After multiple all-time highs in the last 60 days, Pepe price continued on its remarkable upward trajectory at the start of this week. However, after delivering gains in excess of 70% within a frenetic 12-day period, profit-taking and events surrounding the Ethereum ETF launch have pulled the handbrakes on the Pepe price rally. Between July 5 and July 17, the Pepe price had increased by a whopping 71.14%, from a 100-day bottom of 700 units to reach the 1,300 units level on Wednesday. This sparked hopes that the Pepe price could reclaim the all-time highs of 1,700 units recorded back in May. However, over the last 48 hours, those bullish speculations have gone cold. Pepe traders take sit-and-watch stance ahead of Ethereum ETF launch. Rather than advance further, the Pepe price has now retraced 10% towards the 1,100 units area at the time of writing on July 19. When assets begin to retract during a period of market-wide bullish sentiment, it suggests active profit-taking and less aggressive bullish trading among existing investors. The Into the Block chart below monitors the daily count of all transactions executed within the Pepe cryptocurrency ecosystem. This shows the level of trading activity that investors are currently engaging in and how that could impact short-term price trends. Daily transactions count is a proxy for measuring investors' enthusiasm and short-term network demand. Pepe investors conducted 8,800 transactions when the markets peaked for the month on July 16. Unsurprisingly, within 24 hours, Pepe price hit a 25-day peak of 1,300 units on Wednesday, July 17. But since then, the network transactions have cooled significantly, signaling that Pepe bulls could be taking their foot off the gas as the week draws to a close. At the time of writing, the latest data shows that Pepe attracted only 4,250 transactions at the close of July 18. This reflects that investors have cut back on their network activity by over 50% within the last 48 hours. The upcoming Ethereum ETF's launch, slated for July 23, is one key event that could drive this bearish shift in Pepe network activity. As the second largest meme coin hosted on the Ethereum network, investors anticipated that the inflows by the ETH ETF could spill over towards strategic native tokens. The US SEC approved Ethereum ETF applications nearly 2 months ago on May 24. Since then, multiple proposed launch dates have been delayed. As the newly designated July 23 launch date approaches, investors are aware that another last-minute delay could spark widespread bearish price action. With the launch date now barely 3 days away, the growing uncertainty could partly explain why Pepe investors have taken a less aggressive stance by cutting network transactions by 50% over the last 2 days. Pepe bulls remain in sit-and-watch mode, as observed since July 17. Bears could set sights on a rapid breakdown below 1,000 units. Pepe price forecast. Possible detour below 1,000 units. Pepe price has recently experienced a notable increase of 71.14% over a 12-day period, reaching a high of approximately 1,179 units. This upward movement is characterized by a breakout above the 20-day simple moving average and the middle Bollinger Band, indicating a strong bullish momentum. However, the price encountered resistance at the upper Bollinger Band around 1,279 units, where it appears to have consolidated. Currently, Pepe is trading near 1,176 units, with the Bollinger Bands starting to widen, suggesting increased volatility. The key resistance level to watch is at 1,279 units, where the price has struggled to break through. If Pepe manages to close above this resistance, it could pave the way for further gains toward the next psychological resistance level at 1,400 units. On the downside, immediate support is found at the 20-day SMA around 1,012 units, followed by stronger support at the lower Bollinger Band near 745 units. The detrended price oscillator below the price chart has started to tick upwards, indicating that the bullish trend might continue in the short term. However, traders should be cautious as a potential correction could occur, bringing the price below 1,000 units if the support levels fail to hold. In such a scenario, the price could retest the recent low around 745 units, presenting a buying opportunity for those looking to enter at lower levels. But this isn't the only big news in crypto recently. If you want to find out the best crypto to buy now, then click the video on screen now. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these 1000x potential altcoins.